Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to access your Facebook account using your Instagram account. Just follow these easy steps. Alright, so now what you need to do is open your Instagram account and click on here. Then go to your page and click on the three lines at the top right corner and click on Settings button. Click on the Settings button, it will take you to a page like this. Not click on your account. Okay, here is the most important part. If you haven't had your Facebook account already to your Instagram account, you will not see it there. So unless you add your Facebook account to your Instagram account, you will not see your Facebook account there. So make sure you add your Facebook account to Instagram account before you can log into your Facebook by using your Instagram account. Okay, in that case I've already added my Facebook account to my Instagram account, so what I will need to do is I will just click on it and I will see if everything is okay. Then I will come back right here and click on this button to enable this feature. Now this feature will help you to log in into your Facebook account by using your Instagram, so make sure you enable the feature as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is how you can log into your Facebook account by using your Instagram. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment on the commentation.